Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video, I am going to be hiring a Roblox scripter to make me an entire game for $1. Now, actually, the game's already done, but I want to show you what happened and how it all started. Alright, so my friend Chicken Man DM'd me. He's like, what's up? I'm like, what's up, bro? He's like, okay, bro, listen up. I've really improved my scripting and building skills, and I want to put them to the test. Also, I need money because I'm broke. He said, so can I make you a game for $1? Now, right then, I was like, okay, he's making me a game for $1. I mean, how good can this really be? And I'm like, all right, it's $1. I might as well just see, you know, why not? It'll be fun. I'm like, sure. He said, yes. And then he said, what game would you like me to make you? And I was like, I mean, it's $1, so I don't really want to overwork him. So I was like, okay, just make me like a good quality obby. You know what I mean? Something just like good, but it is $1, so I can't be too mad. He said, alrighty, I will make you the best obby ever. And I said, perfect. How long do you need? And he said, just 24 hours. So that's literally no time. I'm gonna get a game. I mean, hopefully a good quality game for $1 in 24 hours. So I'm pretty hyped actually. And I'm like, all right, cool. I'm excited. Good luck. All right. Then he DM'd me today. He said the game is done. And I was like, wait, really? Can I see it? He's like, can you pay me first? And I'm like, I haven't even seen it, but sure. And then I paid him, and they sent me the game. He said, thanks. Tell me what you think about it. Also, make sure to credit me in the game description. Enjoy. All right, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and download the game right now and open it up, and I'm gonna publish it, and then I'm gonna test it out. But before I actually show you guys the studio, I want to test it out first. You know what I mean? All right. So it's opening right now. I'm not even gonna look. I'm not even gonna look at the studio. I'm just gonna close everything, close my eyes, and just publish right away. Okay. Publish to Roblox as $1 game. I don't even know what this game is actually about. He just called it game for TheDevKing. So yeah. Okay. So creator me creates. All right. Perfect. All right. So before I actually like check out like the studio and see how bad the Explorer is or how bad the scripts are, I mean maybe it's good. You know, I don't want to call it bad actually, but I want to test out the game itself first before I do that. So yeah. All right. So I'm publishing it, and what do you know? Roblox is crashing. You know, classic. I love it. All right. There we go. Published successfully. All right. Here's the game right here. $1 game. Okay. This is gonna be so bad. All right. So here we go. Let's go ahead and play. Okay. I don't really know what to expect right now. I'm honestly kind of nervous. Like, oh no, what is this? What is this? Why is everything chicken? Okay. So I'm in the game, and okay, all right. My audio. Okay, it's actually not too loud, so it's fine. But I just hear a bunch of chickens, and there's chicken cars. There's chicken statues. Subscribe to chicken. There's a McDonald's sign. I'm not really too sure what that means. Made by Dropful. Okay, I think this is a free model game. All right, it's fine. All right, let's go ahead and click this. No, that doesn't work. Okay, I'm not surprised. Morph. It just took my head off. Oh my, I'm a chicken. Wait, you turned into a chicken. That's kind of cool, actually. Yo, I mean, you know, you can't really complain too much. I mean, this is some like sick morphing skills right here. And I don't know what. Can you see my face? Is that my face? I don't know. Okay, well, let's go and try to beat the obby, I guess. Actually, let me morph into this chicken. Nope, that doesn't work. Okay, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Okay. Is it possible? I mean, honestly, it's not that bad. Chicken. And they all just make noises. Alright, well, it's pretty laggy for, why am I spinning? No, okay, I just died. I'm not really too sure. I'm not moving. I don't know how that happened. Okay, well, it's kind of laggy, you know, for a game like this, but, they have spawn points that work. That's pretty cool, actually. Alright, but let's keep going. We're jumping over chickens. That's kind of cool. I mean, decent amount of content in the game, right? You go all the way over there. We got this thing right here. Wait, let me do the little trick. Oh, okay. Well, these don't even actually fall through. You just die. At least you keep a checkpoint. Well, that one didn't save, actually. What the heck? Okay, let me keep trying. This is going to be so annoying. I can already tell. Okay. I want to die already. All right, so it's blue. Probably red, right? Red, yellow, red. Yep, I knew it. I'm a genius. Okay, we have a slide. Oh, it works. Woo! Slide. Dude, these chickens are so annoying. I'm going to the sound right now. It's annoying. And then I think he actually made this. I don't know. This is kind of easy though. I'm pretty much an obby god, so. And as you can see, we get rewarded with chicken nuggets. Nice. Now we're in the chicken barn. This is actually not that bad. I mean, assuming these weren't all free models with a bunch of viruses in them, it honestly, you know, if I like love chicken, which I mean, chicken's okay. And keep in mind, actually, my graphics are on 1. Oh no, okay, I'm gonna keep it at max for now. But if I like loved chicken, you know, maybe this game would be for me. But let me go upstairs. What's up here? It's just chickens. More chickens. Oh, they kill you. These chickens are deadly. Well, honestly, that might have been the worst game I've ever seen in my life. I mean, maybe not the worst, but you know, like the worst. I want to go over here though. What's in like this KFC building? The map is kind of cool actually. I mean, like, you know, I like how there's like little floating islands, and then wait, what is that? I didn't even realize that. There's like a burning chicken tree statue. Oh, that's not good. All right, I'm gonna try actually sponsoring this game right now. I'm gonna see if people actually enjoy the game. So yeah, okay, but I'm actually logging in right now under an alt because I really don't want to have anything bad on there. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it on an alt. What the heck is this verification? Okay, let's go ahead and open up the file again though. It's so painful. Oh wait, let me look at the Explorer. I forgot about this, dude. Oh no, this is gonna be bad, isn't it? Workspace. Oh no, what is this? Made by Drawful. I think these are a bunch of free models. But hey, you know, let's see if a free model game can get you players. The KFC isn't that bad though. It looks kind of nice in here. Like, you know, like I don't really like KFC that much, but if I did, you know, maybe I'd like this. Okay, we're gonna republish this as this chicken obby, put it under this account. All right, there we go. Now we hit sponsor, and who can see your ad? All right, we're gonna target males because I don't think females like chicken. And then age 13. Actually, no, under 13 because nobody with a brain is gonna play this game. And platform, we'll do phone, tablet, and computer. One day, we don't need that long, and we'll do 3,000 Robux. Total budget, yup. And then choose a descriptive name for your ad. No, possibly the best game on Roblox, and then preview your ad. That's what it'll look like. Probably should put an icon for this, huh? Who cares? Run, and there we go, boys. Now we have a 3,000 Robux spent. You know, they actually show you more metrics now. I haven't used the advertising since they've updated it actually, but they actually show you click-through rate and cost per click, cost per play. That's actually pretty sick now. I'm actually liking that. All right, so let's wait a little bit, and our ad should pop up somewhere. All right, come on. Refresh, and no one still. Okay, it's fine. We'll wait a few minutes. Okay, so it's running, and we're targeting males under 13 on computer, phone, and tablet. We have 3,000 Robux spent. So 1,600 people have seen this ad and have chosen not to play it. So that's kind of bad. And we have one click actually. So let's see, is anyone in the game? Nope, still no one. Okay, cool. Hey, in the meantime though, we have chicken cars. These are pretty cool actually. I kind of like it. You lean back so far. Oh, we're getting stuck on the button. We can drive off the cliff. Wait, no. Oh my gosh, it actually moves so fast. Oh, we got it stuck on there. Oh, someone joined. Yes. Yigitinma. Okay, he's playing. Let's watch what he does. He got in the car, in the passenger seat. Maybe he just wants to ride. Here, I got you, bro. Let's go. Where do you want to go? Yo, dude, you speak English? I don't know. I typed in the chat, but he's not responding. Oh, what the? He just did the flop. Alright, so it's been over 24 hours, actually about 2 days, and as you can see here, Chicken Obby still as good as ever, still that same beautiful game I played 2 days ago, but the sponsors have ran, people have seen them, and as you can see here, we have a whopping 275 visits, okay, 2 favorites, and actually 3 people liked it and only 1 dislike. So what that means is we have a 75% like ratio. Honestly, it's not that bad. I would have expected worse, but hey, 3 people like it. That's pretty cool. But anyways, let's go and check out the developer stats here. And we didn't have any game passes on this game, so not really much Robux revenue to see here, but we still can see when the visits were, what platform played for a long time, and such and such. So as you can see here, the average visit length was about 3 minutes, 2:45 actually, and people stayed the longest on computer, surprisingly. I'm not really too sure why, but 6 minutes long there. No Robux because we're broke and we didn't make any game passes. And visits by age, as you can see here, most people who are 6 or under played this game. So that means anyone with a brain basically didn't play this game. It was mainly 6-year-olds or under, and yeah, that's where the most amount of players came from. Well, anyways, I think in conclusion, guys, do not buy a game for $1. It doesn't really work. I mean, this is what you're gonna get, so as you can see here, don't do it. It's not worth it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like always, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more videos coming very soon. I don't know, that's pretty weird, but use code TAP whenever you buy Robux, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.